Good evening. Today video I show you how to install WINCC Runtime Professional version 14 Service Part 1 or WINCC Runtime Advanced. Uh, Thank you for watching Xuân Key Automation. Okay, before installation, I need to introduce step by step of the package in WINCC in TIA portal version 14. Okay, when you download WINCC TIA portals from the internet, you will have many folders inside. So, which package to install? There are so many packets here. It's very messy. Okay, there are so many videos on internet. They show how to install WINCC or TIA portal, but they don't explain clearly what the package meaning. Okay, before introducing how to install WINCC runtimes, I will explain a little bit about this package. Number one. The first, you install step 7 version 14 professional. So when you install step 7, you will have WINCC basic including in this packet. Or number 2, when you install WINCC version 14, you will have step 7 basic inside including this one package. So number 1, install step 7 professional, and number 2, install version 14. So in WINCC version 14, you will have the professional runtime simulation only. The third one, install S7 simulation. This one for simulation. So WINCC professional, we have the configuration only and runtime simulation. So WINCC runtime professional is for operation and option packets such as WINCC web navigators, data monitors, OPC server, UA, DAs. Okay, next time when we install, we can see the clear list about the packets inside WINCC Runtime Professional. Okay, WINCC Advanced Runtime and WINCC Advanced and WINCC Professional. What is different of them? Okay, you can see from here. Schematic WINCC runtime advanced available at a software package with defined maximum of power tags. The term power tag is used to identify process variable and are pointed that have a process linked to the controller. Okay, so if we want to increase the power tag, upgrade the power tag, we use runtime professional available. Now compare with WINCC version 14 and TIA portal WINCC version 7.4. Okay, I open PCS7 and see in the WINCC we have WINCC runtime for operation, WINCC configuration for programming, for configuration. Even though we also have this option package for WINCC site like WINCC OPC server, WINCC Smart Tools, WINCC Web Navigators, WINCC Web UX, OPC UIs, Web Navigator Data Monitors, everything like this. So in WinCC, sorry, in TIA portals, WinCC version 14 service path or first pass 1 runtimes, we will have other option. Okay, now we start. In the WinCC runtime, we have DVD1. After extracts, we have modify before installation. We need to modify. So modify this. Sorry, resources. In the resources, we have the SIA2.inis. If we don't modify this command, we cannot install. We will have alarm like this, warning like this. WinCC Runtime Professional version 14 service path 1 require WinCC Runtime Professional version 14 installation requirement. System is unable to locate this version on the computers. If we don't modify this file command, so we cannot install. We will have the warning. So I show you how to modify this file. In the video, I will upload this file for all of you to download and copy paste into the resources folder only. You don't do anything. Okay, I open this one. I show you notepads. To bypass the warning, you need to go to term. Okay. In the term sections, between the term and 1033, we have so many commands here. We choose on command and delete it and save file. In this file, I already deleted, so we don't have anything here. Okay, after deleted and we save files, overwrite the files inside. Okay, I will open the original file for you to see. Originals. Okay, here I copy paste in here. Before modification, we need to back up this file to prevent any mistake. You know, if we make the file wrong, you cannot install term. Sorry, that we need to put on the top. Okay, terms. Okay, we go to term section. In the term section, we have many instructions here, command here. We choose all of them until 1033 here. Let's select on and delete. Okay, delete on this one and save the files. Save as, you know, we go to the install data and resources and save. Sorry, that we want to open test on a test. Okay, don't save. Okay, after modified, that's fine. You can easily to install. Now I start installation. Go to network. I have the TIA server with Windows servers. Let's see that computers. Okay, Windows Server 2016. Right click, properties. Okay, Windows Server 2016. You know the TIA is for to support Windows Server 2016 standard. IO PCs. Okay, we go to WINCC Service Part 1 Professional Runtimes. To DVD 1, right, start, run. We wait until programming started. You know TIA portal, that is the total integrated automation. So it very useful for you to configuration complicated project with many type of HMIs or many PCs. It supported any invitation to download the programming, the configuration from any invitation to server or to client. It is different from semantic managers and WINCC version 7. TIA portal is developed and it's make look like the same PCS 7. So it means that we have the any station PCs, we have their project, we call master project, and then we can download the project to server, download project to client. Okay. In the WINCC version 7, you cannot download to server or client. You need to use duplicated project from any station to server. And in the duplicated, you use okay, I will show you later. You save as to copy their program to server. Between redundant server, you need to use duplicators. Okay. We start install TIA portals version 14 service part 1. Right click start, click start, and wait and initializing. Okay, after initializing, click next installation version, and we choose the language. Now in my project I use English, and click next. Okay, in the WINCC runtimes, we have we install a server, we use WINCC runtimes. If we install one on a client, we use runtime client. And you see that we have web navigators. We choose on an option. And semantic WINCC web UX, semantic WINCC data monitors. This one used for web server. Semantic logon, another tool like WINCC OPC UA, OPC DAs, OPC 8 DAs, historic data access. OPC A and E server, alignment events. OPC UI, Unify Architect. Because we install 4 servers, so we only install WINCC Runtime Professional, and another one we runtime client install for client, and we click accept and here rise and next. And security stores, we have under security, we updated in the security controls. Okay, we have there's all the installations, products, and listed here. Okay, data monitors, server, data monitor client, OPCs. Okay, WINCC runtime install. Estimate time remains 57 minutes. After installation, will until you have this. Okay, until you have the license transferred, you click skip license transfer. You will transfer license at after you complete installation. Let's see that's let's check. Until we have the restart computers, we choose no because we want to transfer license before we restart the computers. Okay, now we transfer license. Open simulations, schematic EKBs. Okay, because we install all license already. Now we only install the schematic log into LAR and into SORC. Okay, now we don't have any missing license key in this auto license managers. We check all the license, web navigators, web UX, WINCC server and time professional. Simulation. Okay, we confirm on the software installed and no missing license. Thank you very much for your watching my video. Okay, now we try to test, check their cement automation. We go to option, HMI tools. You will see WINCC web configurators. Okay, WINCC data configurators and set runtimes, runtime advanced or runtime professional. Web UX configurators. Okay, thank you. Finish installing. Thank you very much for your watching.